slope of the line. Okay, so this one, if I draw another little picture, that means like the 0.11's on there, 2 2's on there, 3 3's on there. It is another diagonal line, perfectly diagonal, going like that, up for 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. And that means that the slope goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So the slope is 1. Rise over run is 1. C. Okay. Dropped my marble. Lost my marble. Perfect. That's exactly what happens to me all the time. Figuratively and apparently actually happens. Okay. Which of the following best describes the graph of the equation y equals negative x squared? Well, x squared is a parabola. That's something you learn in Algebra 2. Anything with a squared makes a parabola. Remember, a parabola kind of looks like this. Or like this. Like a U. Or a sad face. Now, the negative out front means that it opens down. So it's this one. And when you say open down, it's kind of hard to understand which one. But it's like you're throwing a cup of water on the ground. So again, it represents a parabola that opens downward, h. If it was a parabola that opened upwards, it would be a positive x squared. A curved line would have something like a x cubed in it or an x to the fourth. If it crosses the y-axis at negative 1, that'd be something you'd have to plug in and see, I guess. But we don't have to go that far because we already know the answer is h. Last one. What is the center of a circle with that equation in the standard xy coordinate plane? Okay, so here's the equation of a circle. Okay, so h and k, that's the center of the circle. Notice this is x minus h and x minus k. That means you're going to be kind of thinking about the opposite here. When you're looking at h and k because there's a minus in front of it. And r stands for the radius, which this problem really doesn't have anything to do with that, but just in case you need to know. So, what is the center of the circle? Okay, so it's going to be 3 and 4, but remember opposite here. It needs to go opposite because of that minus in the equation for a circle. So that would be negative 3 and positive 4. And if they asked for the radius, since 3 equals r squared, it would be the square root of 3. But they didn't ask that, so let's stop answering questions they didn't ask. Alright, guys? I will see you for part 5. For test 5, make sure that you have written down which questions you need help on, and I will be happy to help you. Bye.